How to invite someone in Webex. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can invite someone in Webex. So to do this, the first thing to do is to log into your Webex account. Then at this point, I must let you know that there are two ways whereby you can invite people. Okay, the first way is inviting them for a scheduled meeting. And how do you do this? By moving over to your calendars page, which I am on currently, and then by the right side, you'll see some options such as start, join, schedule. Click on schedule. Once you click on schedule, you'll be directed on that page where you have to schedule a meeting. Okay, just schedule the meeting the way you want, the topic, time, date, etc. And then at the lower part of the screen you'll see invitees. All right, so the next thing for you to do is to input the email addresses of the people that you want to invite. So once you input the email address, use a comma to separate each of them, or a semicolon as the instruction states. And then once you do that, and you've scheduled your meeting, scroll down and click on save as template and click on start. Once you click on start, the meeting will be scheduled automatically and the invite will be sent to the email addresses. Okay, this is the first way. And then the second way is by inviting them when the meeting has started already. And how do you do this? You do this by starting a meeting. Okay, just click on start meeting, and always click on start meeting. You'll be directed to a page where you'll be asked if you want to use the Webex installer or you want to join through your browser. You can just join through your browser, and once you click on join through your browser, you'll be directed to your personal room. So once you're in a personal room, at the lower part of the screen you'll see start meeting. Just click on it, but before that, wait for this to load. Yeah, so click on start meeting, and then you brought to your meetings page. Now on this page, for you to be able to invite someone, at the lower part of the screen you'll see some icons. Click on participant. So once you click on participant, on the participant box you'll see invite people. Under participant, just click on invite people, and then input the name and email addresses of the people you want to invite. Then once you're done, click on invite. You can only invite one person per time, so just one email address here, and then click on invite, and the invite will be sent to the in person's email address. And if he or she is interested, he or she can join the meeting from there. So this is how you can invite someone on Webex. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.